कंगना ने कहा कि आलिया की परफॉर्मेंस इन गली बॉय है मीडियोकर और उस पर आया है आलिया का जवाब जो है काफी मैच्योर। लेट्स टेल यू।
हाल ही में कंगना रनौत ने आलिया भट्ट के गली बॉय के परफॉर्मेंस से खुद के मणिकर्णिका की परफॉर्मेंस को कंपेयर किए जाने पर कहा था ये उनके लिए एम्बैरेसिंग है। और आलिया ने कंगना के इस स्टेटमेंट पर रिप्लाई करते हुए कहा है, I respect Kangna's work a lot and I respect her opinion. If she feels a particular way, she must have reason to feel that way. I would rather remember how much she had praised me after watching Razi and I'd just focus on my work. Maybe she will appreciate me again if I work hard enough.
Before we start talking about what Kangna said, I think we want to take a little bit of a recap and say कब Kangna ने ऐसी चीजों के बारे में बात की where there were well-made points when she spoke about nepotism,
right.
or when she spoke about the fact कि क्योंकि उनकी English अच्छी नहीं है, people used to not treat her well, or because she didn't come from a film family,
they would judge her basically.
They would judge her, and how she had to work hard on that. She had to talk about pay parity, that how the male actors were getting much more. She also spoke about that how the sport dadas do not have a 12-hour shift and they're not get paid enough. She also spoke about कि कैसे कुछ एक्टर्स पॉलिटिकल बातों पर अपना जवाब नहीं देते, लेकिन बाकी सब चीजों में जरूर उनके पास एक ओपिनियन होता है. While she said about all these things, now I think she's becoming a little petty. And again, this comment, like the last one where she had said कि you know, Alia and Ranveer, why they keep calling themselves as the young actors, even that wasn't taken in a good this thing. And even now, this comment where she says that Alia's performance is mediocre as compared to mine in Manikarnika is, again, I feel, is a little misplaced, because you're eventually big stars, man.
Absolutely. As much as we respect her for being bold, for being fierce, and for, like, you know, speaking as is, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा personal हो गया था, थोड़ा harsh हो गया था towards Alia, and there is a pattern. It's been repetitively done and repetitively ऐसे statements आ रहे हैं which are quite surprising, क्योंकि जैसे कि आपने कहा, जब उन्होंने कहा कि you know they are not young stars anymore, they as in Alia, Ranveer, they're not young. Ranveer is some 37 years old and Alia is around 26 27. My mother had 3 children when you know she was 27 and वो बच्चे हैं कि डम है कि क्या है, ये उनके exact statements थे, तो वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया था. और इस बार भी उन्होंने ऐसा ही कुछ कहा जब उनसे पूछा गया था कि ऑडियंस ने वोट किया है आपको, यू आर द विनर ऑफ यू नो मोस्ट पॉपुलर एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म ने ये वोटिंग सिस्टम निकाला था, और उन्होंने कहा दैट आई एम अशेम्ड कि मुझे कंपेयर किया जा रहा है आलिया भट्ट की परफॉर्मेंस के साथ जो गली बॉय में उन्होंने किया था, एंड इट वाज क्वाइट मीडियोकर. क्या था, मुंहफट था कैरेक्टर, एंड बॉलीवुड इज ऑब्सेस्ड विद मुंहफट. नाउ हाउएवर यू सी एज आलिया's परफॉर्मेंस इन दैट, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बोला, यू कैन हैव योर ओपिनियन, यू माइट फाइंड इट मीडियोकर, सम पीपल माइट फाइंड इट द बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस Alia had, even though she had lesser scenes in Gully Boy. People still appreciated her character in Gully Boy. तो अगर आपका ओपिनियन डिफर करता है दूसरे लोगों के साथ, वो ठीक है, बट जिस तरीके से आपने कहा वो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे गलत लगा.
Absolutely, I think that's what it is about. When you're big stars, every word that you speak kind of depicts who you are, and people want to follow you. They're always copying कि आप किस तरह के इंसान हैं, and I think you want to set that record very, very straight. Of course, we love the honesty, but like they say, Saga, honesty shouldn't come at the cost of hurting somebody, and you're not hurting a fraternity, you're hurting a person's emotions in the process. And as an actor,
there was another statement that कंगना रनौत said that, you know, मैं अपनी शूटिंग छोड़कर या you know जल्दी रैप कर I went for Razi screening, I went for Alia, but जब मणिकर्णिका की स्क्रीनिंग हुई, she was obviously upset because nobody spoke about मणिकर्णिका की रिलीज होने वाली है, किसी ने प्रमोट नहीं किया, so she was obviously hurt. But I think now it's becoming a pattern where she's actually giving out statements which comes as a surprise to all.
Now, as much as we heard Kangna speak about things, here we have to take a moment and also realize कि आलिया ने जिस तरह से, जिस maturity से इस comment को लिया, and I think it could be very hurtful if it were to come to me also. वो भी ऐसे public में, media में जाकर ऐसा बोलना कि you did a mediocre performance, but she also like looked at the good side, you know, Saga.
Absolutely, I think Alia is in a very zen mode. She's very content with what she's doing, and she's very secure in her position, and I'm sure she is confident about the performances she's given this year and last year. तो हर statement पर उनका reply इसी तरीके से आया है, जहां पर इस बार उन्होंने कहा I really respect Kangna, you know, and whatever she says I respect that. That is her opinion. I would just like to remember कि उन्होंने मेरी कितनी तारीफ की राजी के टाइम पे, उन्होंने कितनी मेरी तारीफ की थी, मैं वो याद करना चाहती हूँ. और I want to still work hard and maybe जब मैं hard work करूंगी, if I work hard enough, कंगना खुद मुझे कहेंगे, she will praise me again. I still remember जब कंगना ने कहा था कि why does Alia or these young stars not talk about any political issues which are going on, social issues, वो उसके बारे में क्यों बात नहीं करते, जिस पर आलिया ने बहुत अच्छा statement भी दिया था. उन्होंने कहा था my dad said something very nice to me. He said that there is, anyway the world has so many opinions and the world can do with one less opinion, so I would like to reserve my political opinions to myself, which is fair and her choice.
Exactly why we are loving Alia even more, because not only for the choices that she's making in her roles, but also how maturely she's dealing with these small little controversies, Saga.
क्योंकि अगर एक भी स्टेटमेंट आ जाता जो फिर से टारगेट कर रहा होता कंगना की तरफ, या एक इग्नोरेंट मैसेज आ जाता कि I don't care sorts, तो ये शायद बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती. This could be another fight,
a cat fight, yeah, which Bollywood doesn't want. 2019 is not about cat fights, it's about understanding and rooting for each other.
Absolutely.
And that's what we love about this.